What's up, guys? I'm coming to you from my kitchen table for a special review slash modification of this knife. This is the Spyderco Positron. It's designed by Brad Southard, and this is in the orange handle knife center edition, and with a satin blade in S35 VN. And so the original Positron is carbon fiber, and it had a stone washed blade in S30V, and this is satin finish in S35 VN. And it's made in Taiwan. There you can see the Southern maker's mark. Deep carry wire clip, really like that. This was on sale for $89 at Knife Center. So this is coming in at Chinese company territory prices. Hear my daughter in the background talking. But I'm going to be doing a lot of a few mods to this because it needs it. And for $89, it doesn't even doesn't matter too much. As you can see, you can use that little hole. The middle finger flick works every time. The thumb flick works it's hard doing it at this angle, but it does work. There, I got it to work. And then of course, flipper tab light switch is best on this, and it does have jimping on top to assist you in that light switch. You can get it to fail. Push button works also. Now, some complaints about this knife and why I'm going to be modding it. If you line up these two handles, you'll see that they're exact same size, and there's no protrusion of that lock bar, so you have to dig your hand in there to push it over. I mean, it's not bad, it's just kind of like a little annoying sometimes, so I'm going to Dremel out some of this to reveal that lock bar to make it easier. And then maybe at the same time it'll make the Spidey hole more accessible to thumb flicking. So that's one mod we'll be doing. The next one is, as you can see, it is an orange knife. I'm not too much of a fan of an orange knife. I already have an orange knife that I can't modify because it's pinned together, so I'm not gonna be modding this orange knife, so that means this guy's gonna be modded. So I had another cutlery shop Delica that was orange, and it turned out pretty good when I went to red with it, so I'm thinking of going to red. I'm gonna bronze the hardware. The clip, I already have a kind of like a bronzed clip that I tried to do on my chaparral. You can see it's not shiny, so I'm just going to swap these two clips. The wire clip doesn't bronze very good for some reason. It doesn't bronze good like the hardware does, but this is just kind of like a gray color, so I'll switch those. And then, let's see, what else was I gonna do? Cut out, dye the handles, bronze the hardware. Came perfectly centered. So this knife, it's got good ergos. Finger choil. I think I might be brave and try finger choil, because that would be really cool to be able to choke up on this knife. So we will possibly be adding a finger choil. So when this is all done, I'll let you know, and I'll let you we'll cut away and do different takes, different clips for each part that I'm on. So I think the first thing I'll do is cut that relief out and then dye the handles, because I think that would give it a better effect. So this does have steel liners, and they do have some cutouts for weight. So it's a good EDC knife. It is about, I can't remember if the Delica is bigger than it. Yeah, the Delica is, actually the Delica is about the same size. So this is the same size as the Delica. It does have that unique blade shape that Brad Southern does. Almost like a sheep's foot. I like the kind of like the palm swell a little bit here. But yeah, I think I might do a choil. Definitely cut this out some, dye the handles, bronze the hardware, and it should be a great looking knife after that. So for 89 bucks, this is worth it. I don't think I'd pay the full. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't pay the full price for this. If you can get it for 80 bucks, do it. But all right, the next time, next cutaway we'll do, we'll be sanding the opening. So we'll cut away with that, and then yeah, hopefully, like I said, hopefully I can get to that hole better, and we'll be able to do it. That way is no problem. So all right, let me stop now.